Hey guys, PURPLEXEDQT here with some breaking news alert. So, as you guys know, I've been looking for a case more close to home. I got news for you guys. This one's a little too damn close to home. So, it seems that a 14-year-old male shot and killed his entire family, like wiped them all out. This is in one town over from me. We don't have any news information, any more information than that as of yet. The story just broke to us 2 hours ago, and it's pretty scary. So it seems that he confessed to killing his father, his stepmother, and all three of his brothers and sisters. And nobody knows why he did it, but it happened around 10:30 last night. He originally told police that he was in the basement and he heard gunshots. Turns out he later confessed to the police that he actually killed all of them. Dude, this kid is 14 years old. I have two 14-year-olds. This is like scary. So this is the news report. I will be following this case very, very closely. And when this kid goes to trial, if I'm allowed in court, I will be in that courtroom. I mean, what the hell would possess a 14-year-old to wipe out his entire family? This is like Alabama. Like, who does that? So, yeah. So, this is the news report. Then I got to get to work, and I will see you guys later.
Breaking news alert just over the state line. This is really disturbing. Investigators say a child has killed several members of his family.
So Limestone County, Alabama is just over the Tennessee line. And Josh, the details are hard to comprehend.
They really are. So this suspect here, just 14 years old, the sheriff's office telling us he has confessed to shooting and killing 5 of his family members overnight. This did happen at a home on Ridge Road in Elkmont, Alabama. You can see a very active scene. This video just in from our partners over there. Investigators say 3 of those family members died on the scene from gunshot wounds, and 2 others were flown to an area hospital where investigators say they died as well. We are not sure how these victims are related to the suspect there. We just know they are family members, according to the sheriff's office. At this point, a motive has not been released, and the name of that 14-year-old not released either. All of this under investigation, and as you saw there, a very active scene. So be sure to stay with News 2 and WKRN.com throughout the morning for updates on that developing story.